Open with me this vinyl record player with a stereo, bookshelf, speaker, 3-speed belt drive, turntable, vintage vinyl LP player with wireless playback, auto-stop switch, RCA for music lover and home decoration. Comes in different colors. I pick the color peach, but you can pick peach wood, you can pick black, gray, black, dark brown, angoli, and white wood. You see here the power and volume control knob, the function to switch knob, the tone arm, auto stop off and off switch, lift lever, bladder, and 45 RPM adapter. In the back as well, you can see the right speaker. Can support any popular size of vinyl records as well, from the 12 inches, 10 inches, and 7 inches. You can use it in different styles. The ceramic cartridge is durable, high-quality diamond stylus to ensure the long life on vinyl records. The speed belt drive, turntable, is the guarantee of the best performance of record and intelligent auto-stop settings to protect your precious vinyl records. So we have to remove the cover from the needle, so that's going to be free for play.